We found a place to use up the rest of our quarters. The horses didn't get them.
No. The Pinball Hall of Fame.
Babe, you suck.
Hi. We're Chris and Danica.
We love to travel, and we've been to some pretty cool places.
And then we decided to start our family.
Which put a pause on traveling for a while. Now that our boys are older, we're excited to have them be a part of achieving our dream
We're taking 1 year and our savings to pursue our goals
of becoming content creators who travel for a living.
living at home.
It's good for your face. It's good for your face skin.
Nice view of the mountains. Nice view of the highway.
It smells nice.
My morning moisturize. Oh, it's cold.
It's okay.
Ooh. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, it's time to go get some coffee. Maybe explore a little more of the casino. We haven't really looked around much. Just the pool yesterday. Down to the Vegas sign, because that's on the itinerary today. There's lots of stuff going on. What else we got going on?
We're gonna check out the Pinball Museum.
What were you saying? Pinball?
Yep. We're gonna check out the Pinball Museum.
Which is free to enter, 25 cents to play, and the money goes to charity.
A bunch of local charities.
We're
gonna go walk by and hopefully catch the Bellagio Fountain Show.
Yeah.
Maybe take a walk through the Botanical Gardens.
Ice bar.
And take a gondola ride at the Venetian.
Right.
And check out the ice bar at the Venetian as well.
There's so much to do.
So much to do.
So we're gonna coffee up and get going. Yep.
All right, $18 out of 20. Perfect. Have a great day. Thank you.
Okay,
Coffee time.
coffee time and
Want to walk around?
walk around time. See what's going on in this place.
All right.
Girls of Glitter Gulch and neighboring casino Sassy Sally's in downtown Vegas in 1980.
And it got moved here.
And so she got taken down in, so in 2016, the people who developed this
Yeah.
acquired her.
Boom. Red carpet.
Let's go.
Good time.
Cat. We're gonna go bet on some horses.
Ponies. So, my brother told us about betting on the ponies, and Danica just looked it up. It's the last of its kind in Vegas. And we gotta go to a casino called the D, which is close to here, so.
On Fremont.
Freemont's where we're going. And the skies are blue.
At least on Freemont Street.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's advertising. This screen is sick. We're good. Thank you.
Y'all from England?
Nope.
Scotland?
Closer. They're not so good on the accents here, I guess. The D, here it is. Bang.
Okay, cool.
Looking for the ponies. Looking for the ponies.
No, ponies.
There's ponies.
In a minute.
Oh, yeah, shiny. Okay.
You choose a combination of horses, and the pair has to finish first and second, but in whatever order.
Okay, Danica's gonna put money in it and push some buttons, and then we're gonna yell at horses.
Well, which ones do you want to do?
Whichever ones you want to do.
Okay. 2 of those, and we're gonna bet on 2, 3.
All right.
Neither of those things are looking good right now.
Okay, but it's early. There you go, around the stretch.
1, 2.
That's it? That was not as much fun as I thought. It is raining in the desert. How often does it rain here?
Oh my god.
Is this rare?
This is the third or fourth time in the year.
Third or fourth time this year.
That's it. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Okay, back to the monorail. Oops. Oh, I like didn't close the door and then she was driving away and I was like opening it to shut it again.
Oh.
As she was driving away. So that tree doesn't fit. We actually have a scratch on our ceiling in our TV room when we tried to fit a tree in. It was too tall.
It was too big.
And it scratched across the ceiling. We ended up getting out one of our saws and having to saw the top off this tree so we could fit the star on top. We could have bent it like that, but we wanted to get the star on top, so.
So one thing I've noticed about Vegas is there's music everywhere.
It's a very dancey city, which is fantastic.
Sometimes we have phantom beats in Vegas. We just got beats.
At the MGM Grand.
Smells of rich mahogany.
Vegas has great breakfast brunch places, so we've heard, so we're gonna check one out.
We're gonna go to the Pyramid Cafe.
At the Luxor.
Check out Egypt.
Yeah. Giant Dorito.
September 21st, 1984.
Oh wow. Okay.
We're at
The Pyramid Cafe, having some brunch and a mimosa and a Bloody Mary.
yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Do you feel gross now?
That was unnecessary. Well, it was delicious. It was too much food.
Too much.
One thing I gotta mention is, first time ever, that lady right there asked us if we were YouTubers. So, first time that's been said, and I guess we fooled at least one person. So, I guess it feels good to hear that, and yeah, it's getting a lot easier to set up shots, have the camera, and just be used to it, I guess. Doing the talking heads, not really caring about what people around you think, and most people don't care anyways. I've never been on so many escalators. Is it the escalator city, Danica?
Escalator City.
It is the escalator city.
It's Vegas. What? Escalator City. No.
Do you wanna go in there and look at it?
There's so much sparkle. No, I don't. It's ridiculous.
Hi. Oh, she's going in. We found a place to use up the rest of our quarters. The horses didn't get them.
No. The Pinball Hall of Fame.
Okay, object. Help the citizens of Stringfield party like there's no tomorrow. Get ducked. Shoot mode. Right ramp to light extra ball in the treehouse of horror. Right over there. Living room, shoot into the garage or the treehouse. Left ramp to enter the upper playfield. Otto's bus tours. Shoot Otto for a double scoring. Itchy and Scratchy. 40 quarters. Scratchy multi-ball. Comic book guide to light hurry up. Daredevil Bart for big points. Shoot under the TV. Lock balls into the couch. Alright, here we go. Ready? This one's good. Babe, you suck.
Tons of retro games here. Some of these got to be from the 50s and 60s. It's just a giant warehouse, pretty big place. It's cool. I like it.
We can both play.
Yeah, pop it in.
Huh?
Pop it in.
Cut.
And Leo called it.
One life left. Oh, I got 2 more. No, don't shoot me. What the hell is that? Which one is this? Bebop or Rocksteady?
I can't remember.
No! No! Shell shock. I can't help you. Get him! No! Oh, you're still alive. Oh, that was so close! We're gonna play baseball. Damn it. Too fast. Do you wanna play?
Sure.
Okay.
Let it get deep in the zone and then twang it.
Okay, can I play?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're lost.
I think we're okay.
We're looking for this tram. I'm not seeing any signs. So, just go up another escalator.
Seems to solve all of our problems.
Yeah. Escalators take you somewhere.
You're not standing still.
We are approaching what? Where are we? We're almost at the Bellagio. We just came out of New York, New York.
Yeah, we're going past some stores and the Aria first, and then I believe we will get to the Bellagio.
What are we doing there? We are seeing what?
We are going to watch the fountain show,
Fountain show.
and we're maybe going to check out the botanical garden.
Okay.
I wonder if this is what my dad says. Because I can feel it.
Now the steps are getting to us here. Due to time restraints, we had to skip the Bellagio. So we're just heading to the Venetian now to do the gondola rides. Should be sweet. And we'll get to be off our feet, so that's also exciting.
Gotta be a baller to give me a mother.